Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for December 1st of 2025 is titled 3I Atlas, Tales of an Interstellar Comet. So what do we see here? Well, here we see an image of the comet known as 3I Atlas. Now, Atlas stands for the instrument that was used to detect it, as comets are named after the discoverer. And the 3I means that it is the third object that has been discovered like this that comes from outside of our solar system. So, third interstellar object. Now, an interstellar object simply means that it came from another solar system and just happens to be passing through our solar system as it travels through the universe. So likely in some distant solar system, billions of years ago or so, an object happened to pass too close to something else and got kicked out, accelerated out of its solar system, never to return. And it just happens that it happened to come in the direction of our solar system. There are likely many billions of types of objects like these traveling through interstellar space, including many that come from our own solar system, heading out towards other systems. But this is a unique chance to be able to study something from another solar system. And one of the things we'd like to know is how typical our solar system is. And based on this comet that we've been able to study and look at its composition based on spectral evidence, we can say that this is pretty similar to what we'd see for the composition of a comet in our own solar system. So that tells us that maybe, at least based on the very limited statistics of the few objects we've seen come from outside of our solar system, that yes, our solar system is not very different than any others. Now, why would we expect it to be different? Well, we may not, but it is good to know that things are very similar. That helps us to be able to better understand other systems, knowing that likely their compositions are similar to what we have here in our own solar system. Now, Comet Atlas did pass closest to the sun in the latter part of October and is currently getting closer to Earth and will make its closest approach to Earth in a couple of weeks in mid-December. Now, it's not coming anywhere near Earth, even though it'll make a closest approach. That is nowhere near Earth, and we're certainly in no danger of being hit by this comet. However, the comet will then continue outward through the solar system and then back out into interstellar space and will never return here. Now, we can tell that by its orbit. Based on the velocity and trajectory, it'll pass through and then head back out. And there's nowhere near enough gravity within our solar system to be able to slow it down and pull it back. So, as with many objects like this, it will just continue to travel out and through interstellar space, unless on the off chance it happens to pass through some other distant solar system at some point many millions of years from now. So that was our picture of the day for December 1st of 2025. It was titled 3I Atlas, Tales of an Interstellar Comet. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Active Galaxy. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.